currently I'm just continuing the swirl, but I thought Sophie's been quite delicate with it, so I'm thinking let's just go for it and just make a big swirl. But it kind of reflects back onto the idea we had last year about creating like an immersive experience, and it kind of reminds me of like a hallucination. So I think if we just keep going with it, and then it's going to be like, whoa, what's that? Why am I hypnotised right now? But yeah, so at the moment I'm just using a red because that's such a vibrant colour with so much, like, I don't know, notions to it. And so many sort of symbols, like danger and love and passion. And yeah, it's a very scary colour because it reminds me of blood as well. So I just want to scare my viewers.